In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Tag Manager to your Circle.so and WordPress setups. This process will ensure you're capturing all the critical data you need to make informed decisions for your website and community. We'll break this down into a series of straightforward steps. So let's get started. First things first, you'll want to log into your Google Tag Manager account. If you don't have one, you'll need to create it to proceed with these instructions. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself at the dashboard known as Workspace. This is your starting point for everything Google Tag Manager related. From here, you need to navigate to the Install Google Tag Manager section within Google Tag Manager itself. What you're looking for is the container snippet. This snippet is crucial. It contains both the and codes you'll need to integrate. So go ahead and copy the snippets for the next steps. Next up, shift your focus over to WordPress. Begin by logging into your WordPress admin dashboard. Once inside, the quickest way to manage header and footer scripts is by using a plugin. Hover over the plugins section and click on Add New. In the search bar, type Insert Headers and Footers. When it appears in the search results, click Install and then Activate. This plugin will be your primary tool for managing scripts without needing to alter any theme files manually. Now that the plugin is activated, navigate to the Settings menu and hit Insert Headers and Footers. This is where you'll be pasting the snippets you copied earlier. Firstly, focus on the script in header section. You'll paste the snippet you got from Google Tag Manager in this space. After that, locate the scripts in body box. This is where you'll need to enter the snippet. Once both snippets are correctly in place, make sure to hit Save. This ensures the changes are implemented across your WordPress site. Now let's turn our attention to Circle.so. Begin by logging into your Circle.so admin account. The process here is similar but requires a different path. Click on your profile photo in the top right corner and select Settings. From here, go to Custom Code and then Header. This area is where you can paste any additional tracking scripts to ensure your Google Tag Manager setup is complete. If any extra verification is required for Google Tag Manager, you can manage that here as well. Once all your snippets are entered, don't forget to click Save Changes, and there you have it, everything you need to integrate Google Tag Manager with both your Circle.so and WordPress platforms. By following these steps, your analytics setup will be thorough, ensuring you can track all the important data effortlessly. Remember, a well-set tracking system is the backbone of informed decision-making. Thanks for watching, and happy data tracking!